got a question for you guys. How many of you wish you could wake up in the morning and have more energy?
Oh, yeah.
Right here.
No kidding, right? Well, you know what? Instead of reaching for the coffee pot, what do you say we make ourselves a pick-me-up juice in the cold press 365?
All right.
Yeah.
Watermelon. I mean, who doesn't love watermelon, right? And of all the fruits out there, watermelon is one of the lowest in calories. Now watch this. Goes through the 365 like it's butter. And look at that glorious color, too. Now, this next ingredient is one of my all-time favorites. It's ginger, and it's one of the healthiest spices out there. You know, ginger's super tough, and it's got lots of fibers. So it was one thing to see how the 365 handles the watermelon, but let's see how it works with the ginger. Wow, look at that. Effortless, I didn't even have to peel it. Now here's the great thing. Ginger's full of all sorts of antioxidants like magnesium, iron, and zinc, which means it can really help boost your immune system. And I like to call it a spice with benefits. Now honestly, how simple was that?
So simple.
That was super simple. Ready to taste?
Yes.
Look at that glorious color.
Oh, that's so
really
sweet.
good.
Oh, it's so good.
It's got some real zing to it too, isn't it?
Yes.
You know, the best part is, unlike the highs and lows that you're gonna get from energy drinks or coffee, this powerhouse juice can deliver an even, balanced, constant energy that can last for hours.